Hello, my name is Erin Axelrod. I'm a partner at Lift Economy, and we're excited to be teaching Designing the Regenerative Economy, where we'll explore the possibility of how we can redesign the economy to create regenerative outcomes of security, prosperity, and a stable climate rather than the current outcomes of exploitation and inequity. We will cover case studies such as the work we're doing and work that participants can get involved in as well, such as the work we're doing with Winona LaDuke and the White Earth Reservation to create an industrial hemp sector to bring economic sovereignty and rural economic development to that reservation in northern Minnesota. We'll talk about other case studies such as Community Services Unlimited in South LA that is bringing a 10,000 square foot village marketplace to a food desert area of South LA, and many other case studies that will empower participants to be active and viable players in the next economy. We really hope you can join us, and we look forward to seeing you in Santa Cruz.